Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and graduating class of 2023. Today, I stand before you on behalf of AUIF President Dr. Ian Bickford to celebrate the graduation of our resilient students who have overcome countless challenges. Congratulations to all of you who have completed your studies at the American University of Iraq, Suleimani. After leaving our beloved Kabul campus, you persevered in your commitment to your education and found support from AUIS, the Kurdistan Regional Government and its Ministry of Higher Education, the Government of Iraq, the Yalda Hakim Foundation, the Institute for International Education, the United States Agency for International Development, the US Department of State, and the state of Qatar. It took a village to get you to where you are today. This graduation marks the beginning of a new chapter of your lives. It showcases your hard work and determination to overcome obstacles. Yet, you did not do this alone. Let us not forget the tremendous support and solidarity you received from the gracious nation of Kurdistan and its people. They recognized your extraordinary circumstances and provided an opportunity for your education. Kurdistan embraced you as their own, offering a safe space for your dreams. We owe them a debt that can never be fully repaid. We must acknowledge and honor it. Today, I urge you to pay it forward. Remember that your education is a tool for democracy and social justice. Work towards making Afghanistan and the world a better place. Afghanistan needs you more than ever. I express deep gratitude to AUIS, its founder, Dr. Baram Saleh, its Board of Trustees, President Bruce Ferguson, and the entire University administration for their unwavering support. To the faculty members who guided our remarkable students, thank you for your dedication. And to the AUAS students who welcomed their AUAF colleagues, Zor Sopas. Thank you. To the graduating class of the American University of Afghanistan at AUIS, congratulations once again. May your journey ahead be filled with endless possibilities and the fulfillment of your dreams. Piroz Bashid.